Yeah, space heaters like these have caused several house fires so far. Oklahoma City Fire says it's because they're either too close to other items or simply not plugged into a wall outlet.
We don't want to scare people from using space heaters. You can use them. We just want to see that you use them safely.
The Oklahoma City Fire Department says as the temperatures drop, the number of house fires rises.
So fireplaces, space heaters, extension cords is a big one. People are running extension cords to space heaters. Still see a lot of improperly discarded cigarettes.
They say so far over the last couple of weeks, they've already seen 4 house fires caused by space heaters.
Where they go to bed and the space heater's still on and things are just too close to them. So we don't want to scare people. They're safe to use as long as they're using them in a safe manner.
Their advice, plug those heaters directly into a wall outlet and keep them at least 3 feet from any other object.
And it's just people putting them too close to things, too close to beds, blankets, couches, furniture.
Also, never use an oven to heat your home.
A lot of times people will use their ovens or their stoves to heat their home. We do not want to see that anybody trying to heat their home that way. Your stove is made for cooking food. Those elements overheat and can catch on fire, and we see that often too.
And the most important reminder, make sure your smoke alarm is working properly.
Your first line of defense is a smoke alarm. I know people probably get tired of us saying that, but especially going into the winter months, overnight fires are a common occurrence.
And Oklahoma City Fire also says to make sure you and your family have an escape plan if a fire breaks out. Reporting in Oklahoma City, Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.